Hello everybody! It's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. I know I look weird, right? Ano ba sa tingin nyo? Ano kayang kulang sa aking mukha ngayon? Yes, I haven't filled in my brows yet. Medyo weird siya tingnan for me ha. Kasi I'm done with the rest of my face except my brows. Kasi nga tuturuan ko kayo paano ba magkilay, especially to the beginners. And today, I'll be using a brow pencil. Kasi yung brow pencil, I believe, is the easiest way for the beginners to fill in their brows. So, for today, I'll be using the new Careline Best Brow Liner. This is 160 pesos and I am in the shade taupe. So, on days na parang nagmamadali ako, I always use a brow pencil kasi it's convenient and it's easy to use. Okay, so this is the Careline Best Brow Liner. It has a spoolie on one side and the pencil on the other side. And that is the pencil. Marami ka namang makukuha kasi mahaba yung pencil. And then, if you can notice, slanted on the tip and medyo makapal siya. Okay, so let me put my hair at the back. Okay, first you have to brush your hair, your brow hairs into place. So for me now, I'm going to use this spoolie on this pencil. Ayan. So brush it into place lang. I have really thick brows to begin with, but I still like filling them in. And then, depende na sa inyo kung saan kayo magsa-start. Yung iba, they start at the end of their brows, at the tail of their brows. But for me, yung nasanayan ko na talaga is I always start on this side, on top. And very lightly lang, I'm going to shape. So, just follow the natural shape of your brow. So, for me, I'm going to follow that one. So, very lightly, ayan, nagkaroon na ng shape, diba? So, I'm going to repeat that, the same process here. I always outline my brows first. So, tapos na ako sa taas, sa ibaba naman. So, hindi ako nag-uumpisa dito. I always start dito, kung saan yung mas maitim na part. The same with how I did it on top, diba? Hindi ako nag-uumpisa dito. Dito ako nag-uumpisa sa may maitim na part. So, dyan ako mag-uumpisa, like here. Ayan. O, diba? So, nagkaroon na talaga ng shape. And then, you can start filling in your brows. I always start here at the tail part when I fill in my brows. Ayan. And then, take your spoolie and then just blend. Ayan, na-blend ko na, diba? And then, since naka-blend na tayo ng product, so may product na natira dito sa spoolie niya, ito yung gagamitin ko to fill in the inner part of my brows. Gusto ko yung ombre effect. And then, syempre, kulang siya. So, I'm going to take my brow pencil and then parang pa-straight line. Very softly lang, as in very softly lang. I don't want a square brows, inner brows. So, very softly. Okay, ayan. And then, blend. Tingnan nyo naman yung difference, guys. With filled-in brows and not filled-in. Ang laki ng difference, diba? And then, I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. So, I'll start here, kung saan yung may mas maitim. And then, repeat the same process dito. O, ayan, may shape na, diba? And then, start filling in your brows. Then, blend. And then, blend here. So, ayan na. So, ayan na guys, tapos na ako magkilay. Oo nga pala, don't worry kung hindi man sila super pantay kasi hindi talaga pantay yung brows ko. Naturally, mas mataas to dito. But you know what? Yung palaging self-defense ko is brows are sisters, not twins. And sometimes they are cousins. Yung brows ko naturally are sisters, pero meron talagang araw na yung brows ko are magpinsan. Kaya don't worry, that's normal, that's natural. And then, of course, you can end with this one, but for me, I have very long brow hairs, especially here on the tail part, kaya lumilipad talaga sila. So I have to set them. And today, I'm going to use my Pink Sugar Honey I'm Good Eyebrow Gel, and this is also in the shade Taupe. I'm going to apply this, set my brows with this one. I start here. There you go. Then on the other side. So, ayan na. Tapos na akong magkilay. Ayun lang guys. That's how I always do my brows when using a brow pencil. And for today, the Careline Best Brow Pencil, this for its price, 160 pesos. Okay na siya. Kasi nga, it comes with a spoolie. The spoolie is nice kasi matigas siya. Not to the point na masakit siya when blending, pero to the point na matibay. Yun, matibay. And then, you get a lot of products. And I also like the shade on me, Taupe, kasi bagay na bagay siya sa aking buhok. I'm going to give this a thumbs up kasi this is nice. So, perfect talaga to for our beginners out there. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And to our beginners out there, I hope may natutunan kayo sa akin. Kahit today's tutorial is very, very simple. So, ayun lang guys. Before you leave, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, comment down below if you have any video requests. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also, please don't forget to hit that bell button beside the subscribe button if you want to be notified for my future uploads. That's it for today's video guys. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! God bless! Mwah!